Hey there, welcome to another video on Shopify discount tips and tricks. In this video, I'll show you how you can apply different discount amount to different collection using a single discount code. For example, there are situations where you have two collection and each of those collection will have different discount amount, but you only have one discount code. How do you do that? For example, in this case, I have a collection called cleanser, which I want to apply 5% discount or $5 discount. For the face wash, I want to apply $10 discount using the same discount code. So if someone has a product from the face wash collection, they will get $10 off. But if someone has a product from the cleanser at the same time, they will get $5 off. I'll show you how you configure this. So first of all, you have to install the app called PowerX. It's called Function Creator. It has every feature you need for applying the complex discount. Once you install it, you can open the app. In here, you can create a function. Since we are applying this in the product level, we are creating a product discount. If you want to apply this in the order level, you can also create order discount and select a specific collection. Let's create the discount, product discount. For the title, you can put anything. Since I am using a discount code, I will generate a random discount code in here and put it as the same as the title. It is easy for me to find if I put both of them at the same thing. Now, in the sidebar, you create campaign. Each campaign will have its own configuration, its own selector, and a lot of different configuration. So in here, I will go with the conditional discount, but you have option to select buy X, get Y discount, BOGO, bundle, volume discount, and more. Conditional discount has most of the features. Since we have a simple discount, this is going to work for us. Let's give it a name also. I will call this collection A, and let's just give it a $5 off, something like that. If I scroll down under eligible discount eligible product, I can select product ID, collection, product type, vendor, SKU, variant ID, variant title. So in this case, I will go with the collection because I want to apply it per collection. Let's select cleanser collection, and under discount to apply, I am going to apply fixed discount per product. Let's call it $5, and let's also give it a message of $5 off or discount. The message will not show anywhere. The reason is in Shopify, if you're applying a discount code, Shopify will display the discount code instead of the message that you see here. For that reason, it is always just we put it here, but it's not going to do anything. But if it is an automatic discount, then this message will show in the checkout. That's okay for now. Now we can create another campaign, but I will duplicate the same thing because I have most of the configuration the same way. Let's call this collection B, and this is let's say $10 off. Put a dollar sign, something like that. And under the collection, I will select the right collection. Let's go with the face wash. I have two products here, and the discount amount is going to be $10, and this one is also $10 off. That's all you need. What it does is it is going to apply $5 for the collection A, $10 for the collection B, and it works as expected. So let's save the changes. It did create the discount for me. I'll copy this and I'll go to my storefront. Let's add two products to the cart. This one is from cleanser. I will add this product to my cart, and let's go to the face wash and let's add this one to the cart. For now, it is not doing anything because it is a discount code. I will go to the checkout. Okay, what happened to my product? I think Shopify removed that. I do have two products. That is, I think, the back from Shopify, but let's add the products again. Let's add this to the cart. I have that. Let's go to face wash, add this face wash also to the cart. Yes, I have two products. Let's go to checkout. That was strange. Okay, let's add the discount code and see how it goes. You can see the face wash is getting $10 off, but the cleanser is getting $5 off. And you can add more collection if you would like to. Collection B, collection C, collection X, Y, and Z. That is how you can configure this. There is a lot of other configuration like cart qualifier, customer qualifier, and under the discount eligible product, sometimes you want to go with the variant title. I have seen like some stores, they offer discount based on variant title. For example, If the variant title is medium, they apply less discount. If it is large, they apply more discount, something like that. But that is all possible under the discount eligible product. That's how you can do this. I hope this video has been informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.